Well, they were just being all big and boisterous. So I said that I'll see if they're going to do anything exciting. Maybe we'll throw some smoke around at the same time. You even see the smoke? Does it work here? Sometimes you can see the smoke on the left, right, yeah, you can barely see it. It's not smoke. You can't see smoke. That's annoying. Alright. Oh well, I'm sorry. We're working the daytime, but there's some white sage being telekinetically, dragged around. It feels like dragging. Yeah. You were being all big and loud before. I thought something exciting was going to happen. Yeah, that's the lightning answering the YouTube video. Oh, kind of like this. I get this, right? I get like Astral Adam is probably like a big name in your spirituality type thing. But they want $30 a month for their obsidian inner order. I'm in between jobs at the moment, ha. I want someone to research the telekinesis at the very least. Well, it's, they destroyed my career and everything else, the way they do. So, between jobs / between points in time where, the point after they screwed my life up. But, again, given all the interest, the abilities, I think it, might just work out. If not, well, you're going to miss out on. Just think, you too might be able to have telekinetic abilities if we can figure out how they work. You might be able to use technology to replicate the energy, I believe, that is manipulated to do it. If I can't pay my bills, I might have no one to research. So, I don't know. I think that might have been, I don't recall it. Yeah, it might have been your exiting Kaboom, because there's something about how it sounds now that I understand to mean the conversation's over. It's the sounds, it's the way the water sounds. For some reason, right, after, you've had one of these events or visitations where, thunder and lightning answers you, at the end, or when it's all over. See, to me it seems like the sound of water is almost artificially enhanced or just, amplified. And that's when I recognised to me the end comes in, which is handy. It means I can stop this video and go back to bumming around and trying to get some people to check it out and respond to it, because I think it should be quite the thing for them to discover and watch. I mean, particularly if they're interested in spirituality, right? Right? Oh, yeah. Indeed. Yeah.
Their expertise, their strength, and their truth were never meant to exist as a monster. Because what they experienced out there was not existence, but change. It was renewal, not collapse. They were destroyed not by the unknown, but by the knowledge that their foundations would never be weak. A force that wanted something deeper, caused the structure built in a sense of humble. This was not a temporary lack of faith or simple pity. It was a real moment.
Oh, were you doing the things where the lowest layer of clouds moves? Yes. That's is that a Holy Spirit thing? It is? Yeah? Confirmed? Okay, cool. Right. This is the thing the Holy Spirit does. Okay, because she was the facilitator of the invitation. I assume there's a spirit of thunder and a spirit of lightning. Yeah. There you go, thank you. Yeah. For some reason, something to do with the way, I don't know, but you see how there's like this thin layer constantly moving? You know, the lightning's right up, you see it? Right, see it, now it's gone really dark, now it'll go back to light. That's something that, so do you do that, is that just the consequence of you using the power to do it? They won't answer, they're being either shy or annoying. Oh, that's confidential. I actually think that it has something that she must probably access a level of power that has a side effect where literally, right, clouds move really quickly and do what they're doing, as you can see on the video right in front of you, where it looks like they're just constantly moving, but it's more like a grey or like a dark layer that's constantly moving. Yeah, it's something to do with her. There we go. Oh, I could have stopped it at 7 minutes and something or other. No, come on. I see some of them making their videos 11 minutes long, and then you get, you know what you get from that? You get, angels say that angels say that angels say. They did, that's what they say. Angels say. Sadly, I'm probably going to end up, meeting that woman. And it really is done in a spirit of fun, right? Because we're all sitting there going, oh, come on, she's just padded this out so she gets paid for it if it gets popular with us. Yeah, but just, the way every sentence started with angels say, we were just cacking ourselves towards the end. She must be able to access whatever the hell everyone else can access about me that I can't, because she's totally changed up. She put a lot more effort into the script, and I don't even think there was an angel say in today's one. But anyway, but you know what? In all seriousness, lady, if you first off, your voice. I like your voice. It's not sweet. It's nice. It's probably, I don't know. It's a little bit categorizable. Well, you sound like it's like the whole. Today, I'd like to talk to you about God in flowers. He is, God in flowers. And you don't really know what the hell they're talking about. But there's something sort of silly about how they do it. So for some reason you sort of fall into this strange kind of hypnotic whatever. But no, there's just a, you know. Well, my training comes through very careful to criticise a lot of things. Though there's lots of things, no. Oh, no, like, you know, I'm going to get no coexisting from me, sorry. Oh, that's an experience of crucifixion. Yeah, no. But I'm not necessarily going to come at you, ballsy and brassy, so to speak, rather politely, but if you speak falsely, I'm also speaking untruth about that which is mine. You'll get the truth back, as they say, unapologetically. Do we have a chimney? Is there a chimney running? So get this right, they don't want me to be able to film it, so they try and actually, they turn their chimneys off to stop me from doing things like this. Now, where's the chimney? I think to there. Can you do that? Yeah, we saw it, here we go, you can see it's hard to see, but you can sort of see the flicker of the movement. So I can't really can see it. Is that it in front of me? No, not really. Oh no, that's infrared projection. Oh boy, I'm going to get in trouble, aren't I? Yeah, no, a big thing with the CIA and the thugs around here is they like to use a projector that projects infrared light. Well, I'm not going to say what it's for yet, because I do know that, you know, there might be some... I'm not that I'm worried about it, far from it. I was to say that there might be people who one would expect to do good, who might be aware of it, and maybe still waiting for them to do good, right? But yeah, let's just say I suspect it's a type of security cameras you put on your house. I imagine a secret place, a security camera, and the way you saw it was infrared broadcasted against the wall of your house, and then you used either a night vision goggles or a modern smartphone with the filter on it. Uh-oh, they're going, what are you doing? And you could basically see, you know, off the wall of your house the feed from said security camera. That's what I suspect. You'd have to drive. You'd have to be like 4chan or something and drive around here, like maybe checking that all out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, 4chan, this area needs you. It does. You want to be silly and have some habit. Truly, this is the area for you, because you can discover so much, and they're probably going to try and chase you away. And you know, some of you guys like to run, and some of you guys don't. Right, I'm just saying, you can really make my nights entertaining. No, you're not my personal army. I have my own interstellar fleet, thank you. I don't need yours. Every one of my ships, of which they are numerous, have brains the size of a planet. Not the Hitchhiker's reference, don't you? Yes, no. Please understand that. I have my own interstellar fleet, and I'm being quite serious. So, yeah. So for anyone who wants to write not your personal army, yeah, damn right you're not. As good as you are, you wouldn't last. You have no idea the stuff we can do. This way, once you get transporters, you use them in combat operations, or, you know, it makes sense when you think about it. But they're just so effective, like, you know. beam in, grab beam out, there you go, there's your extraction for anything you want. Enemies, commanders, just boom, boom, they're gone. You know, like I said, in the blink of an eye. Yeah, literally. Literally, in the blink of an eye, you know, you just lost your entire command structure. And no one knows what to do. Everyone's standing around freaked out. I mean, it truly is just, you can literally, it's with a transporter. Amazing stuff. And when they're angels on top of it, right, they're like really fast, and those wings they can wrap around you and stuff. Yeah, it's freaking awesome. Unbelievable. Right. See, I keep on seeing these fakey videos from you, like, where someone records their little script, sets the timer on their microwave, so that it'll kind of go beep, beep, beep to emphasise their last point if they do it just right, and then go, look, synchronicity. And I go, no. This is... See, right, did you see how at one point he was talking about the storm ending? I don't know what video I'm watching, I haven't heard it before. That's synchronicity, that's what happens to me. Literally, and it's on a scale that is really something else. And it's not the Nox. The Nox, right, the one for the S2, no, that's angels and stuff. Angels are bought ethereals, right? But yeah, that's not synchronicity. Alarms going off, you know, lyrics in songs that match up to the moment exactly right. I mean, exactly. Right. You know, he's suddenly hearing them talk about the end of a storm, at the end of a storm. That's synchronicity. And that happens to me all the time, so much so that at one point I made a silly, like, jingle, synchronicity. Just sort of when it happened, just to make it a bit fun, but yeah, I'm so blasé about it now, and it really is wonderful and amazing. But you know, sometimes it's annoying because it got in your way and you were thinking of something and it wanted to beepity beep at you and you yell at it and everyone's upset for a while and you got to apologise. And then things sort of, the energy and everything sort of gets back and you're like, okay, all right, don't do that again. Blessed be the peacemakers. This is tricky. Sometimes you'll hear me answering this because a lot of what I receive is, not a lot, it's not. Well, at the moment, a lot of what I receive is telepathic because, you know, there's not a lot of physical anything's around to talk to me. So I'm sort of used to answering when I should really be vocalising what was being said. For people watching a video who obviously aren't privy to the telepathic side. Yes, exactly. Right, that's them interrupting it with an ad. Oh, they can do it. They own a 30-mile radius CIA. Yeah, and they can interfere with everything. It's very annoying. Yeah. I suspect run a local net with one of the most stringent firewalls with access to, yeah, you could. So, for example, right, if there are news stories about the Chosen One or anything like that, that you guys can see, I can't. Wherever I am, I can't see it. I'm sort of stepping out in faith based on these YouTube videos. But you know, like I can back it up as well, so because I chose the right time. Again, I probably wanted to at one point. At one point I probably realised what I was, and I must tell everybody. I can't do anything to prove it, but I'll tell them because surely they'll believe me. I call it the Butters method or whatever. The character Butters out of South Park, his behaviour is very much like mine. Right, if he finds himself in a strangely, it's probably because his innocence or naivety got in there. But I really can sort of wide-eyed and just walk into the most ridiculous situations, shall we say. Well, situations one would not expect, you know. Yes. But honestly, 9 out of 10 times, how the heck did I end up here? Oh dear. You know. But once I'm there, I will assess the situation honestly. You know? Oh no, she's up to another video. Yeah. Alright, there you go.